This is a recast of the 8,800-word piece, Timnit Gebru, Ethical AI Advocate and Research Pioneer, from AI VIPs. Let's listen in.
Today, we're highlighting the contributions of Timnit Gebru, a trailblazer in the field of artificial intelligence, AI, known for her work on ethics, fairness, and bias. Born in Ethiopia and educated at Stanford, Gebru has devoted her career to tackling racial, gender, and economic inequalities in AI. In fact, while at Google, she co-led the ethical AI team.
The controversy surrounding her departure from Google in 2020, following a dispute over her research on large language models, LLMs, sparked a debate about corporate responsibility, ethics, and the treatment of marginalized voices in tech. It's important to discuss how Gebru's work has reshaped the discourse surrounding AI and its societal implications. The importance of ethical AI and diversity in the field are central themes in her work.
AI development has seen exponential growth in recent years. It's penetrated our everyday lives, from self-driving cars to recommendation algorithms. However, with this rapid development come questions about the long-term implications of AI. Gebru's research has shown that AI systems can perpetuate societal inequalities, especially those related to race, gender, and socioeconomic status.
She also worked to increase diversity within the AI field. She co-founded Black in AI, a global network geared towards addressing the underrepresentation of Black professionals in AI research. This organization provides support, mentorship, and networking opportunities for these professionals.
Gebru's technical contributions include work on bias in facial recognition technology and large language models. Her research in these areas has highlighted significant disparities based on race and gender and has brought attention to the black box problem. This term refers to AI systems developed without transparency, making it difficult to understand their decision-making processes.
Furthermore, accountability remains a key issue as it remains unclear who should be held responsible when AI systems cause harm. With multiple stakeholders involved, from data collectors to model developers and end users, it becomes challenging to establish clear accountability frameworks.
Notably among Gebru's contributions is her work on large-scale dataset analysis and machine learning algorithms. Her research revealed that many widely used datasets in AI were disproportionately composed of data from specific demographic groups, leading to models that performed poorly when applied to underrepresented populations.
One of Gebru's most significant papers is the Gender Shades study, which found severe disparities in accuracy across gender and racial lines in commercial facial recognition systems. Another major contribution was her work on LLMs that examined their associated risks, including the potential for reinforcing harmful stereotypes and generating biased outputs.
Her findings have fueled ongoing debates within the AI community about the responsibility of researchers and developers to address these biases before deploying LLMs at scale. Bias often enters AI systems at multiple stages of development, from data collection process to model design and deployment.
In terms of policy recommendations for creating AI systems that empower rather than harm these communities, Gebru has put forward several suggestions. These include developing regulations mandating fairness audits for AI systems before their deployment in sensitive areas such as law enforcement, healthcare, and employment.
She also calls for greater diversity in the AI workforce, arguing that a more inclusive research community is more likely to create systems that are fair and equitable for all users. Gebru has also underscored the importance of involving impacted communities in the design and deployment of AI systems.
Looking at her time at Google, Gebru's departure was a significant moment in the tech industry's ongoing debate about AI ethics. The disagreement arose when Gebru and her team were asked to retract or revise a paper questioning the risks associated with large language models. Her dismissal from Google ignited widespread outrage and led to renewed calls for greater accountability and transparency in the tech industry.
Following Gebru's dismissal, there was an outpouring of support from the AI and research communities. Open letters signed by thousands of AI researchers, academics, and professionals called for greater transparency in how tech companies address ethical concerns and for protection of researchers who challenge the status quo.
Gebru's dismissal also brought to light a larger issue within the tech industry, the marginalization of ethical dissent. It highlighted the tension between researchers who raise ethical concerns about AI technologies and the corporate structures that prioritize rapid development and deployment.
The controversy surrounding her departure has led to growing calls for stronger corporate policies regarding AI ethics and whistleblower protections. Tech companies are increasingly being called upon to implement more robust processes for addressing ethical concerns raised by their employees.
That brings us to the future of AI. As we move forward, it's clear that ethical considerations and diversity need to be central to AI development. Gebru's work has shown us that without diverse voices in AI, the systems we create are likely to reflect and amplify societal inequalities.
This is what makes her legacy so important. As AI continues to evolve, it will be essential to create systems that are adaptable to ethical challenges, ensuring that they can be revised and improved as societal values shift.
That's exactly right. It's clear that Timnit Gebru's contributions have made her a catalyst for change in the field of artificial intelligence, one that continues to inspire researchers, policymakers, and activists to push for more responsible AI development, ensuring that the technology serves all members of society equitably.
That's it for today.